Hey, what's up? Are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT? I found one master prompt that rules them all. I'm going to walk you through how to use it to come up with all of your future prompts. So let's get right to it. Here is the master prompt I'm talking about. The one prompt to rule them all. You will just copy and paste exactly this prompt, and then ChatGPT will walk you through all of the different steps required in order to come up with the perfect prompt. So this is what you're going to go through. This is what the prompt says. I want you to be my prompt creating expert. Your goal is to help me craft the best possible prompt for my needs. The prompt will be used by you, ChatGPT. You will follow the following steps. Your first response will be to ask me what the prompt should be about. I will provide you my answer, but we will need to improve it through continual iterations by going through the next steps. The second thing that you're going to do is, based on my input, you will generate 3 sections. A, revised prompt, B, suggestions, and C, questions. We will continue this iterative process with me providing additional information to you and updating the prompt in revised prompt section until it's completed. All right, let's use this prompt. Go to ChatGPT. I'm using GPT-4, and I'm going to paste this in word for word how I had it. And today we're going to ask a prompt about copywriting. So now it provides me with different prompting sections. A, it's the revised prompt, B, the suggestions, and then C, questions. So the first revised prompt would be, please provide me with copywriting advice and tips for my SaaS startup. So it asks suggestions to include target audience, unique selling points, key features and benefits, tone and the style of copy, question section pages that need copy, for example, homepage, about page, or product page. So now it asks me a bunch of questions that I should answer in order to make this prompt better. Ready? So I'm going to answer these questions one by one. One, who's the target audience for the product? Let's say the target audience is professionals. Let's say we work on a website that helps people come up with business idea. So target audience is entrepreneurs, let's say 22 to 30 years old. So the second one I'm going to write is, what are the unique selling points of your startup? The unique selling points are that, let's say the website generates 10 business ideas. Come up with 10 business ideas. Let's say what the third thing is. The third thing is, what are the key features and benefits of your SaaS product? Easy to use. The fourth thing is, what tone and style? I would like it to be playful yet assertive. And then the fifth point that we have here is, are there any specific sections? So this is, let's say, for the homepage. Let's submit it. And now it will give us a revised prompt. So the revised prompt now is, please provide me a playful yet assertive copywriting for my homepage for my SaaS startup, which generates 10 business ideas for da-da-da-da-da-da. So now it asks us more suggestions of how to improve it. An intention-grabbing headline, a subheading, elaborate main idea, a short description. So are there any specific pain points or challenges your target audience faces? Yes. So for one, it is difficult to, can you provide, no, let's keep it short. What is the pricing structure? It is a monthly subscription. Kind of like let's say this is a business for matching co-founders together. And then 4, do you offer any free trial demo for this product? Yes, free trial. And then 5, are there any additional features or benefits? No, let's say no. All right, so now the revised prompt is, please create a playful yet assertive copywriting for the homepage or for my SaaS startup, which generates 10 business ideas, success-driven entrepreneurs aged 22 to 30s who struggle to come up with ideas. The product offers them monthly subscription to connect and offer co-founders and includes a free trial. So I think this is already a great prompt. So actually, let's just keep this prompt here, and now let's plug it in and see what we come up with compared to our original one. So our original prompt was, I want to have copywriting for my SaaS startup. So this is the first prompt. Let's open a new window and try it out and compare the two. So the first one was, I want to So the first prompt that we had originally was, I want to create copy for my SaaS startup. Let's see what it comes up with. It's very broad. It's a very broad question. So the answer is also going to be very broad, as you can see here. It just tells me the different steps. I define what I want to do, focus on benefits, keep it simple, create strong value propositions. So these are all just very generic tricks and tools that you learn in copywriting. But really what I'm interested in is getting the copy myself. So here's the prompt that we generated with our previous prompt generator. And now let's see what the answer is. All right, perfect. It came up with the copy that I can now include on my website. Welcome to Idea Sparks, the place where brilliant business ideas come to life in 10 minutes or less. Calling all risk takers, go-getters, and success-driven entrepreneurs aged 22 to 30. Are you tired of staring at a blank page for hours on end, trying to come up with the next big thing? Do you want to be the one with a multi-million-dollar idea? Look no further. So I think this copy is fantastic. I think it really speaks, it kind of applies what the prompt was saying here earlier. Focus on the benefits, keep it simple. It does all of that, except it already does it for you. So you don't have to think about what the copy is going to be. You can just use this prompt generating prompt idea in order to create good copy or do anything really. So let's review one more time what we do. So this is the prompt. I'm going to link this in the description. I'm also going to provide you guys with a template with useful prompts. As you can see here, I came up with a bunch of prompts that are helpful in my day-to-day life. I composed a group of prompts that are helpful in my day-to-day life, and I'm going to link a copy to this free template down below. So make sure to like this video if it was helpful. Leave a comment with your favorite prompt. Make sure to check out here this prompt and let me know if this works for you or if you have any suggestions on make it better. And with that, thanks for watching.